to make Iron Man and Gacha Online. Anyway, let's make this quick before I actually got to go. So that way I can finish this. Anyway, real hair, 300 and 455. Glasses, 1100 and 256. Go. Move it. Move it. Go. Face AC, 1100 and 384. Go. Sleeve, 900 and 236. Glove 30. I forgot. Crap. No, pants. 1000 and 439. Oh. Leave me alone. Socks, 11. Shoe, 61. Real hair, color, face color. Huh? Okay. Jacket, 506. Right there. You're done.